Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen Casey Railfan here, and welcome to another model railroading video today. So today, I have two new rolling stocks because I went to a local train store, which was back on Friday, March 27th. So today I picked up two new rolling stocks because I know I didn't buy much because apparently the store did not have their internet on at the time. So he couldn't. So fortunately, credit cards couldn't be accepted at the time. So unfortunately, I only didn't buy much, but I only bought two pieces of rolling stock. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got back on Friday. So here they are. So the first one, we'll start with the Ather. So the Ather one is this. This is a 2-bay covered hopper, Norfolk and Western. So it's right here. It's an ACF 2970 2-bay hopper. So couldn't resist myself with this one because I've been wanting to look for one of these for a while now because I have seen these out in rail fanning, like on NS trains, especially in my area, like like 115 and such. And I also saw a lot of these when I was up in Roanoke one time too. And where I saw them on NS train 134 that had the 8105 leading. Because if you haven't seen the Roanoke premiere, you can check out my vacations area playlist. And you'll see a bunch of those. So I picked up one. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's very nice. Indeed. So there's that. And now the next piece I have is a Walters Mainline Norfolk Southern boxcar. So I picked up one of these. So this is really stunning. Very cool. So there's that. So that's the new rolling stock. So look really nice. So now I'll get these out of the box and then we'll see what they look like. Alright, so now I have my rolling stocks out the packaging. So here we'll start with the hopper. See, look at the detail on this. This is absolutely very nice. Let's look at detail wise on the bottom. Very nice. Absolutely very stunning. And you can see there's even some see-through details on the top as well. It's very nice. Absolutely stunning. Very nice. And now we'll take a look at the boxcar. As you know, being a budget-friendly line, it's not bad. And then obviously, I don't think the doors slide, so it's alright. So, it's got everything. Parlomax couplers. Underbody looks very nice too. Everything looks very nice. So, and the metal wheels, obviously. And as you know, they have the Ather ones have the McHenry plastic couplers. And you can see the bottom also looks really nice done too. So anyways, this is just a little bit of a quick video of these two new rolling stocks that I got from Fred's Train Shop. So anyways, I will look forward to adding these onto the NS train. So you'll see these on the mixed rates and such. So we'll see these in the future premieres. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day everybody.